How to remove your profile photo in Slack. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Slack application on your device and make sure you are signed in to your Slack account. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and here you will see your name. So tap on your name and you will see the option for edit photo right below your profile icon. So tap on the edit photo option you see there and you will see the option for remove photo. So tap on the remove photo option you see there, and with this, finally tap on the save option on the top right of your screen, and as you can see, your profile photo has been removed from Slack. So this was about how you can remove profile photo in Slack. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.